This is a quick demo of the Fulcra CLI tool. I've just told Claude to install it and log me in and give me a summary of my day so far. My data is being collected from a bunch of sources, including from the Context app, which is running on my phone, and getting my location, calendars, and a whole bunch of other stuff, but you can use any type of data that and it's just asked me to confirm my login. I've done that. So now the session in Claude is authenticated and it's getting access to my data store. So the agent knows all of this contextual data about me without having access to any of my accounts. It's built me this view. And as I'm reading what it's told me about my day so far, I'm realizing I forgot to log my lunchtime pills and a cold plunge session. Right, so the bot has logged those annotations, so I refresh my dashboard and here they are back in the Fulcra data store. Now I'm interacting with my Openclaw bot on Discord, completely different bot. Like the Claude code session, it's not logged in as me anywhere, but it does have access to my Fulcra data store. So I asked it about information I just shared in that other session. I asked it what time my cold plunge was, and it knows that it was from 7 to 7:20 a.m.